Welcome, dear students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. I am fine too. We know we are all passing our days through a critical situation because of novel coronavirus COVID-19. So I would like to advise you, and my advices are: use hand sanitizer or wash your hands within 20 seconds, at least 10 times in a day, and use mask when you will go out from your home. So, dear students, let us begin our English class for class 8, 9 and 10. Dear students, this is my introduction. Abdul Salam Ridha, Assistant Teacher English, Idilpur Secondary Girls School, Gosharhat, Shariatpur. Class 9, 10, 8, 9, 10. English second paper. Okay. Dear students, let's see some image and text to guess something. My dear students, what do you see in the picture? 3 girls are talking. They said, "We are happy." We can say indirectly, they said that they were happy. Okay? And in this picture, we can see a boy is listening music and dancing. He says, "I love music." And indirectly, we can say he says that he loves music. So, what have you guessed by the images and text? Direct and indirect speech. So, dear students, our today's lesson is direct and indirect speech. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to define speech, identify the classification of speech, change speech from direct to indirect. What is speech? This is a burning question. What is speech? We can see in the picture a conversation. "Excuse me, can you tell me the time, please?" "Yes, of course, it's 5 o'clock. So, speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Speech is an expression which is expressed by the speaker. Okay? Follow. Talib said to me, "I have done my duty." Talib told me that he had done his duty. Direct, indirect. So, speeches are classified into 2 kinds. We can see speeches are classified into 2 kinds. One is direct speech and another is indirect speech. Direct speech means speech is spoken directly by the speaker is direct speech, and indirect speech means speech is spoken indirectly by another is indirect speech. Okay, direct speech and indirect speech. He said to me, "You are my best friend." Dear students, follow me and listen to me. He said to me, "You are my best friend." So, one part, he said to me, and second part, "You are my best friend." 2 parts. There are 2 parts of a direct speech. There are 2 parts of a direct speech. He said to me, first part, and Second part is you are my best friend. Okay. First part is called reporting verb, and second part is called reported speech. Reporting verb means out of inverted comma. Look and listen to me carefully, dear students. The first part, out of inverted comma, and second part, you are my best friend, inside of, this is called reported speech, and inside of inverted comma. Okay. Let us know the basics of speech. Dear students, let us know the basics of speech. Dear students, this is an important chart for you, and write down the chart attentively and listen to me carefully. How to change verbs from direct to indirect speech. Direct, indirect speech. If the reported speech verb is, in the reported speech, verb is am is are, it will change into am was or were. And if in the reported speech, the verb is was or were, it will be changed into had been. At the same, shall, will, should, would, have, has, did will change into had plus past participle of verb. Okay. Can, may, could, might. Okay. Must, have to, has to, ought to will change into had to. Present indefinite will be changed into past indefinite. Past indefinite, past perfect. Okay. Write down the chart. And next, how to change adverb. If the adverbs in the reported speech, if the adverb is now, it will be changed into then. Tomorrow, the next day. Tonight, that night. Today, that day. Yesterday, the previous day. Last night, the previous night. Last week, the previous week. Here, there. These, that. These, those. Okay. Dear students, next, how the subject, object and possessive of direct speech change. Reported speech, reporting verb. If the reported speech subject is I, it will be changed into he or she. We, he, she, they. You, me, us, I, we. My, his or her. Our, their. Your, my or your. He, she, they will be no sense. Look and listen to me, dear students. If the subject is third person singular number, there will be no sense. Okay. Next, how to convert assertive sentence into 5 indirect speech. In this class, we will learn assertive sentence into direct speech. Okay. If the sentence is assertive, first subject said to plus object, or subject plus told plus object. Instead of said, you can use told. In this case, told, the verb told, does not take any preposition to. Okay. If the verb is said, you have to use to. But told does not take to. Okay. Plus that, if the sentence is assertive, subject plus said to plus object, or subject plus told plus object plus that, plus reported speech with desirable sense. Okay, this is an example. He said to me, I am well. And indirectly, he said to me, or he told me that because the reported speech is assertive sentence. So that said to me that he, in the reported speech, the subject I is first person, so it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb. According to the subject of reporting verb, he M was well. Okay, the verb is present form, verb will be past form. Okay, M is. Dear students, this is a girl. She said to me, I was ill. Indirectly, we can say that she said to me that I means I first person, it will be changed according to the subject of reporting verb she. She was means had been ill. She had been ill. Direct, indirect. She told me that she had been ill. Okay, understand? Dear students, was had been. Good. Shuman said, this is a boy, I will meet you tomorrow. Shuman said that I means Shuman. He would meet me tomorrow means the next day. In direct speech, indirect. Shuman said or told that he would meet me the next day. Okay, will, would, tomorrow, the next day. Okay, clear? Dear students, he said to me, I have done my job. Direct speech. And indirect, he told me that he had, I means he, have had, present form, past form, had done my job. Present perfect, past perfect. Okay, direct speech, indirect speech, and okay. We know, everybody knows him. He is very popular. He is eating meat. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean did the best last night. Mr. Bean told that he told that Mr. Bean had done, did, in the reported speech the verb is did. That means it is past form of do. So did will change into past perfect tense. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. So had done the best, the last night, the previous night. Okay, did, had done, last night, the previous night. Okay, I go to school regularly. This is a boy. He said, I go to school regularly. This is direct speech, and indirectly he said that this is an assertive sentence. So said plus that plus I means the boy, he, this pronoun is he, went, go, the verb of go, the past form is went. So go to school regularly. Clear? Okay, dear students, go, present form, past form, went. This is a girl. I visited London in 2005. She says, I visited London in 2005. Direct speech, indirect. She told that she had visited. She told that I visited. I means in the reported speech, subject is I, first person. It is first person, so it will change into according to the reporting verb, subject of reporting verb she. She told that she visited past form. So it will change according to the past participle, past perfect tense. Had visited. Past perfect means subject plus had plus verb past participle. Past participle of verb. London in 2005 extension. Okay. Clear. Visited. Had visited. Okay. Exception. Dear students, now exception. He says, my mother loves me more than her life. She says that his mother loves him more than her life. Says in the reporting verb says. So there will be no sense in the reported speech verb loves. If the, dear students, if the reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will no sense of the verb of reported speech. In the reported speech, the verb is says in the present form. So, in the reported speech, the verb loves, there will be no sense. Okay? And again, the student says, I have completed my homework. See, the student says that he has completed his homework. The reporting verb says is present form. So, in the reported speech, the verb will no sense. But here, I is first person, so it will change according to the subject. The student means he. And he does not take have, verb have, he takes has completed his homework extension. Okay. Have, has. Okay. Again, the same example, the man says, I will take lead a corruption-free life. The man says that he would lead a corruption-free life. Direct, indirect. The man says that he will lead a corruption-free life. You can, I guess. Remember, universal truth will not be changed into indirect speech. Remember, universal truth will not be changed in direct speech. Example, my father said, evil always remains in evil. My father said that or told that evil always remains in evil. Same example, the teacher said that sinner will suffer in the long run. The teacher told that the sinner will suffer in the long run. The reported speech is universal truth, so there will be no sense. Okay, dear students, pair work for all, not group 1-3. Make a list of the verbs and their changing from indirect speech. And pair work 2, for all, make a list of the adverbs and their changing form in indirect speech. Okay, this is for your pair work. Write down your pair work and homework. Dear students, this is for your homework. Change the following speech from direct to indirect. Number 1, the teacher said to me, the earth moves around the sun. Number 2, the father said to his son, I want to make you a man of truth. Number 3, he said to me, I was there in 1990. Okay. Number 4, practice makes a man perfect. Number 5, newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. Said the principal. Okay, my dear students. Dear students, so our English class ends here. Allah Hafiz.